Hello everyone, welcome to BioTalks with Swasti. I am Swasti Jain, a master's student at Terry School of Advanced Studies, currently pursuing masters in biotechnology. So a lot of you have been asking me how is my experience of biotechnology at Terry SAS. So today as I have completed my 1 year of masters at Terry SAS, so today I just want to share my journey and in the last 1 year what things I have done, and apart from biotech what more opportunities do we have here. So as I said before, Terry is not just about biotech. Terry is leaders in sustainability. So you get many opportunities here related to energy, related to sustainability, related to green economy. So basically all these things which are very in these days, and they have more scope these days. So Terry focuses on that. Okay, so just to share something about my journey, I would like to tell you the highlight of my journey, that I volunteered in the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 that was held in March, and it was a phenomenal experience. Okay, I was literally surrounded by stalwarts. I was surrounded by very important people, and can you believe it, like the I met Jim Ski, I met the the president of World Bank, and I met Vibha Dhawan ma'am, the director general of Terry. Like, can you believe it, just to have a conversation with them, just to be in the same room with them, it's a big deal. Okay, so Terry is not just about studies, it gives you so many opportunities related to extracurricular activities. So yes, it has been an amazing journey. Okay, so yes, other than that, we attended the International Solar Festival held at the Bharat Mandapam. Okay, and it was really good. And students like us, we generally see that not just study part, but A.R. Rahman came there, so we were more excited for that. So yes, life is there is a balanced life, studies also, fun also, and yes, it's a good life. Then you will be shocked to know that the German Vice Chancellor and Minister for Economic Affairs and Climate Action, Dr. Robert Habeck, came to Terry. Okay, he came to Terry and he shared his thoughts on climate, environment, and energy. Okay, and at that time, I was like, oh my god, I think I should switch my field from biotech to something related to sustainability and climate, because I never thought about this net zero and all these this pollution thing and all this climate change before this sensitization by Terry. It has been amazing. Okay, then once we went to AIIMS Delhi and we attended the National Biomedical Research Competition 2024. Okay, then by Terry I got the opportunity to do an internship at Jawaharlal Nehru University, and I got to work on anthrax vaccines. Okay, with Rakesh Bhatnagar sir. So it has given me a lot of opportunities also. Okay, then so I did my winter and the summer internship there only. Okay, then if we talk about other things, then we have this Terry Diakin Nano Biotechnology Center at Terry Gram Gurgaon, and it was incredible to see how nanotechnology is shaping the world. And we went there, we had a phenomenal experience how biopesticides and biofertilizers are made. Okay, so yes, environmental biotechnology was covered. As you know, biotechnology has many parts: environmental, medical, and other parts also. So yeah, we saw that. Then once we went to this Krishi Mela 2025, and we were exposed to a lot of these crops that are edited genome with the help of genome editing. Okay, these crops, and it was an amazing experience. We went with our professor Shashi Bhushan Tripathi sir, and it was an amazing experience. Okay, then once we went to India International Center, by where we attended sessions by experts and former scientists at ISRO. We also have this Bioticos Society, which keeps on organizing various sessions in which experts from industry, academia, they come and they collaborate so that students students can be helped and information can be exchanged. So yes, they came, and a lot of things were discussed, a lot of good people we invite. And yes, just happy to tell you that I am the event head of Biotechos, and I with my co-host Kanishka Sen, we have hosted a lot of events. Okay, so yes, so these are some things. Then other things, if I talk about, we have these experiments on breast and lung cancer. Recently a molecular biology lab was opened in our TEDI, and we did experiments related to breast and lung cancer. And yes, it was a whole different experience, because generally in the past we used to work on plant biotechnology, but recently we got experience of the animal biotech also, so it was really good. So yes, this is in short that I have given you an idea. And if you find that there is some doubts or you have some queries, so definitely you can tell me in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to answer. So yes, thank you so much for giving your time, and have a great journey ahead. Subscribe to my channel and follow, like, share, comment. Thank you so much.